Vegan Jackfruit Barbecue Brisket. That's a mouthful. Hey, I'm Katie Lee, and this is what I'm eating right now. Vegan Jackfruit Barbecue Brisket. Gus, what do you think? No meat here. I love barbecue and I love trying new things. That's why I'm excited to share this barbecue vegan jackfruit brisket with you. But before that, be sure to subscribe. This is a Food Network recipe inspired by my brother-in-law, Kevin. He's a vegan who is barbecue obsessed. To get started with this, I've got Vital wheat gluten here. This just kind of binds the whole thing together. I'm adding to it paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, dried mustard, dried sage, chili powder, and coarsely ground fresh black pepper. Whisk all of these ingredients together. This is one of those dishes that sounds harder to make than it actually is. It's pretty quick. All right, now I'm gonna add to it my jackfruit. Now, jackfruit is an exotic tropical fruit. It looks really funky if you've ever seen a whole one. It's got these spikes on it, and this is the packaged unseasoned jackfruit. It has a really distinct flavor to it. It's hard to describe it. I'd say kind of like a pineapple, and it has this great kind of meaty texture to it. And then, this is about a ½ pound of shiitake mushrooms, stems and all. It's a meaty mushroom. It gives you the meat without the meat. So to this now, I'm gonna add some liquid. I've got mushroom broth and I've got liquid amino acids. All right, I'm just gonna pour them right into the mushroom broth so that they get evenly distributed when I pour this in. I think that this is like making a meatloaf. You're better off to get your hands in there. And I'm just gonna mix it until there's not anything dry. It's perfect for a meatless Monday. I'm gonna shape this like it's a brisket, about 1 inch thick. All right, I'm just gonna cover it with a little bit of foil, and then it's gonna go into the oven for an hour and a half at 300 degrees.
We're gonna do like a little reset.
Okay, perfect. While that brisket's cooking, let's make some barbecue sauce. I've got a couple of cups of ketchup, a bottle of dark stout beer, some of that same mushroom stock, some apple cider vinegar, tomato paste, some paprika, onion powder, chili powder, and salt. Now I'm just gonna whisk this up until it comes to a simmer, turn it down to low, and it's gonna need about 15 to 20 minutes to thicken up and let all those flavors marry together. Okay, let's see how this brisket looks. Ta-da! I like a lot of sauce, so I'm gonna be generous here. And this is going back in the oven, and all of the sugars that are in the barbecue sauce are gonna caramelize, and it's gonna get this wonderful, nice, rich, thick glaze on it. All right, while that cooks, I'm gonna give Kevin a buzz. Hi, brother.
Hi.
I think about how food brings people together, and the first time I've ever met you guys, you made barbecue.
I did. I think I made pastrami beef ribs, and you liked them so much.
So I'm cooking today a meal inspired by you.
Aw, that's very flattering.
It's the vegan jackfruit barbecue brisket. It looks very Frankenstein. It is not a beauty. Hey, love you.
Love you too, sister. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
You right on cue as soon as I bring the food out of the oven.
That's right.
I've got this vegan jackfruit barbecue brisket.
Vegan.
And then I made the little kale slaw to go with it. All right, you give that a try.
Really caramelized on the outside, didn't it?
I love this. Perfect meatless Monday. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
Do you have another vegan or meat substitute recipe for barbecue? Leave it in the comments below. But first, don't forget to subscribe.